This hanging scarecrow was definitely a favorite, so thank you for all your purchases. I thought it was only fair that I went through and painted it with you. You want to start by having your scarecrow all together so you see where all the parts go. You can reference the final picture. And then I'm going to put all the parts on my painter's tape. I'm starting with some snow owl, and I'm going to paint the pants, which is going to be kind of like a coverall. And then I'm going to go in and do the hands in the white as well. And then the socks. While my white is still wet, I grabbed a little Bowie and is mixing that into the white so that I have denim overalls is what I'm kind of thinking in my mind. And then I'm going to do the straps to the coveralls in the blue as well. The bar going straight across is the shirt, and I'm doing that in goldenrod, along with the cuffs from the pants, also in the goldenrod. I'm using the dabbers from the Dollar Tree. And then I did the buttons in the goldenrod as well. I did black on the shoes and then the crow. I'm going to go in with Republic Red. I'm going to do the rim of the hat. This is going to look a little deeper than our normal Republic Red as I had a little bit of black left on my dabber. And then I'm going to do the very top of the head on my scarecrow, which is going to be the top of the hat. Then I went in with Republic Red in the large heart. Then I'm going to go in with some white on his face or her face. Very, very light Republic Red mixed into that white. Then I'm going to take my black Sharpie with the brush tip and fill in the eyes. I took a little bit of that pink from the face and put it on the buttons as well. And then I put some rosy cheeks using a very little bit of that Republic Red. You can use an art brush, whatever you're comfortable with. I used my Sharpie for the beak of the crow in the yellow, and then white for his eye. Then I'm going to use this dotting tool that I picked up at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add dots to the shirt. Then I'm going to glue the straps to the coveralls to the shirt, the rim of the hat. Then I glued down a piece of raffia underneath the crow and added the crow to the tip of the hat. I'm going to use jute from the Dollar Tree to start tying my scarecrow together. I added the heart, added the buttons, added the socks to the feet. And then the cuffs, you want to make sure that they're hanging over the edge of the pants so the holes are exposed. I did this, these stripes or this plaid on the socks using my yellow Sharpie. I added some white lines to my feet and my heart. And then I'm going to tie the socks to the cuff first using the jute, and then I'm going to glue the cuff to the pants. And this just ensures that I don't cover my holes. Now to go over the jute, I kind of go up through one part of the scarecrow with one end of the jute. The jute from the dollar store is nice and thin, so it's perfect size for this. And then I go up through the back of the hand, or whatever part we're using. I do a tie, and then I take my hot glue and I glue it in that first tie, just a little dot. And then I finish with another knot. And this just ensures that my knot is not going to unravel on me. And then you can cut back your jute. I just wanted to show you guys that slowly because it is kind of important. Once I have all my parts together, I took a little piece of burlap and glued it to the pants. I put raffia around the neck, and then I just put raffia around all the parts, just make it look like straw was coming out. Just one little tie, just to add some character. Some of these things are optional. And this is your options with a hanger. I first did a craft stick along the back, gluing the jute underneath. The only thing with this hanger is the head tilts forward just a tad. I did antique my Scarecrow a little bit with some black left over on my dabber. And then the second hanger, and this is the one that I liked better, is I just did a loop on the back of the head that I glued with a little piece of burlap. And this was just perfect for holding up the Scarecrow. I did a flower on the hat. Thank you for all your purchases. And if you're interested in this kit, you can find it at chalkitupfancy.com.